Hello, today we're going to be looking at the contents of the twin arc lighted radiator grille panel for the Goldwing GL1800 2018 onwards. It's produced by Goldstrike and it's part number 48320. You will see a link on it down below in the description page. So without further ado, let's take a look what we have. So you first of all, as normal, would have your fishing instructions. You'd have your lighting panel, so there's your left and right side lighting panel, and you also have two radiator grills. Line them up, and you have two radiator grills. And you have your alcohol pad, your cable ties, and the screws are required. Now they are generally an easy fit. You have your double-sided tape around there and 3 screws there, and your wiring. So they're available on our website. Again, you will see a link for them down at the description page. And thanks for joining us today.